everybody, this is Tanushree Agrawal and today I'm going to do a review of one of the awesome book, that's The Question, Find Your True Purpose by Mr. Bernardo Moya. Now, I have read this book, I have attended the webinar series of this book and have met the author of this book in person at Best U Expo. So that's the reason I thought it's best that the other readers can also get an insight of what they can expect in this book. Now, just a few pages slot I have selected for this. Okay, so I'm starting from page 61. So I have taken a notes of for this. Page 61 is, it's mentioned on that or topic as to do what you love. Now, after reading this, I thought it's always better to ask ourselves at least 15 times that what we really love. And when, like, whatever answer we get maximum out of that 15 times, that's the thing we really love and we should go for that, or that should be our purpose of life. So the books help you to really find your purpose in this manner. Then I felt that Best You is the best decision and Legacy Club is really leaving the legacy. Then on page 61, all in all the time. These are the just awesome lines. What I understood is every person should display this attitude of all in all the time. So it will be a win-win for everyone. Whether like we are associated with any of the organization, there we should be able to display all in all the time. Then comes the page 64. There the beautiful paragraph is on the ability to pay it forward. Now this I thought is just a cool idea. If everyone connected to various organizations display this ability to pay it forward, what a wonderful world it would be. Then on page 65, there is mention of the aha moments. Now, these aha moments are really something which a person should experience. When I have experienced, I really felt like an enlightenment moment, like a Buddha also. And suppose through this book and Best You and Legacy Club, as the vision of the author is to reach to 150 million people, that's 0.15 billion, or 15 crores or 1500 lakhs in coming 5 years. So this vision was really exciting and scary to me. Then on page 65 is mentioned about flexibility in thinking, from opening yourself to opportunities. So I thought there is real need of this from college campuses to all the corporates. How wonderful it would be if this gap can be fulfilled through books, clubs, and expos. Then page 65 mentions about having faith and keeping faith during the tough time. Now, while reading these lines, I thought that it's really best to have the SOP for our life. That's the standard operating procedure, no matter what work we are doing, because the success of McDonald's is dependent, I feel, mainly on SOP and real estate. So this is really good. Then comes page 65. On that is a beautiful topic, universe is on your side. Now, when you are really doing good, universe needs to be on your side because according to the book, The Science of Getting Rich, the universal laws are mentioned and one law is law of cause and effect. So when you are giving good, doing the good causes, the effect is going to be just awesome. That's what I feel. Then comes the next page, that is page 66. In that, the new 3 R's are mentioned as well as the old 3 R's. Now, do read this book to find out that awesome 3 R's. Then on page 70 comes the topic resilience. Now, this topic resilience I feel should be taught at schools, colleges thoroughly. If it would have been taught thoroughly in various universities, then student will excel in better way and will really become a responsible citizen of various nations. Then comes the page 71. On that, the Thomas Edison example is mentioned. Now, Thomas Edison has done the self-study mainly, and I feel that the success of Thomas Edison is because of that self-study. That self-study gave him the self-belief and self-confidence, and that is something very important no matter what you are doing. Then comes the page 72 on which the example of Oprah Winfrey is mentioned. In that it's mentioned that her estranged father helped and put on track to her. So here I feel that every individual on this planet need estranged father in form of right mentor, coach, guru, whatever you call it. And Best View platform is trying to provide that to people, and that's something really great. Then comes page 74, where about tiny problems it's mentioned. Now, people don't understand the importance of time. Do you think you are utilizing your time properly and in a strategic way? I at times feel that unconsciously I am not utilizing my time properly and waste on the tiny matters. Then comes the page 77 where it's mentioned like by Bruce Lee, become like water. Now, this is not easy, I feel. This is something most difficult and the best thing I thought is in the book. Then comes page 79, where the 7 key traits are mentioned that are really awesome. Which are the 7 key traits? Find out in the book. Then comes page 80. There, the impartial advice is mentioned. Means that topic has been described. So I just don't understand certain times that people give advice which is not impartial. And my view is either give a impartial advice or don't give it at all. So this one message I would like to really pass to all the listeners. Whenever we are giving any one advice in the life, either give it impartial one or not give at all. Thanks a lot for listening to my review on the book The Question. If you have yet not got the copy, do get a copy of it, and I'm sure you are going to thank me for encouraging you to read this book. Thanks once again. Have a wonderful day. Bye.